Hi, today I'm going to explain to you how to use my gua sha tool. Let's start with the big one. Big tool for the bigger area, for example, your forehead, your cheek, or your body. Let's begin with your forehead. The rule number one, you have to apply enough product so it glides on your skin without dragging, without damaging your skin. Rule number two, working hand, supporting hand. Rule number three, the way you hold your plate, the angle between your face, skin has to be small, not vertical. For example, you want to target the fine line and the wrinkles, you hold and small, like that. 1, 2, 3. If you don't have a fine lines wrinkle, you can do a longer stroke like this, holding and press and glide across. Nice and slow. Make sure your tools always in contact with your skin. Like that. Or like that. Do a few more times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times you like. If you have a pigmentation, say you have here, what do? You can turn the tools around, do a circular motion like that. It can be painful. And going upwards or going sideways like that. And if your forehead is reasonably big, you can use this side as well, just like that. Or just like that. I love this tool because the shape just sits on your face beautifully. For example, you want to lift up your cheekbone. How do? You can use this way. Press along the nasal bridge here, supporting hand, and going upwards. Slow. 1, 2, 3. Excuse the light. I don't know what happened. 1, 2, 3. Or one single long stroke like that. Do it a few times and lift up your jawlines here. You can do it this way for pressing. If you have a quite bony face, I think scraping can be uncomfortable, but you can use a press. You get the same result like this. So basically, you have to follow your facial structure, which everyone is different, like that. Or you turn around again like that. Going up to the edge of a hairline. Or here. You see what I mean here? Just sit on the jaws beautifully, like that. Do it a few more times. For the face, I do it every 2 days or every 3 days. Now, around the eyes, I use a smaller tools. I can use this one. For example, holding and in the corner, press and stay circle going upwards. Beginning the eyebrow, middle, and the end. Do it a few times. And then underneath, eye socket here. Going upwards, remember. Slow. Do it a few times. Like that. Going upwards. And you can use this, smooth over. Like that. Or if you have this one, you can do this. 2, 3. You can also do this. Hold it, going upward. Because this shape concave here, you can just hook on your eye socket doing this. Push, push. It's the same as you doing this. See that? Right underneath your eye socket. or here, do this. The same as this one here. So, and smooth over. Also for this one, you can use around your ears. You'll be surprised, your ear can be very tight around here. Some people have a headache, and this is a great way to release stress and tension. You go 3 times here, and on top, going down, like that. I think that's it. Basically, just be creative and remember the rules, then you won't go wrong. And if you have any question, please post comment below, and I will show you if you need more information. Thank you. Take care and have a great day.